Early transportation methods consisted primarily of horse, mule, or ox power. These animals all had to be shod to protect their hooves. Consequently, the blacksmith was an important figure in the Old West. He not only made the shoes for the animals, but also sharpened plows, fashioned eating utensils, forged metal wagon parts, and made general repairs to farming equipment. A wagon train of the 1800s was fortunate indeed to have a blacksmith along the trip. The wooden spokes of wagon wheels would often contract during the climatic changes encountered while crossing the country. Without the blacksmith's skill in needed repairs, entire wagons would be lost. When the Knotts started farming here in 1920, this blacksmith shop right here was standing on a farm about a mile away and was so old then that moss was growing on the roof. It was moved here intact when Ghost Town was started in 1940. The craft of the blacksmith continues today on Main Street as it has for over 100 years within this building's walls.
It's sexy. Thanks, man.
Yeah.